Good morning. Today's pre-market news. The indices seem to be comfortably perched to extend some gains. The Prime Minister continues to express confidence that the economy will return to the growth path of 8%. On a trip to Japan, the PM has sought Japanese investments in the infrastructure sector, stating that a target of $1 trillion has been set for the sector in the 12th five-year plan. The PM also said that GST will be implemented if the government comes to power in 2014. Meanwhile, the market is expected to open on a flat note. A lot of action will be seen on the counters announcing their results, especially stocks like ONGC, Tata Motors and BPCL. US indices rose following economic data that showed the housing and financial crisis are not a major worry as in the past. The Conference Board's index of consumer sentiment climbed more than expected to 76.2. Japan's Nikkei is marginally down while Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index has fallen 0.5%. South Korea's Kospi Index is a tad higher while China's Shanghai Index is flat. SEBI has asked Sahara's investors to give information related to the refund of money to the regulator. Rupee closed at Rs 55.96 per dollar, down by Rs 0.39, weighed down by dollar demand by importers and defense purchases. Sun Pharma and GAIL posted better results for the FY13. Sun Pharma has posted a consolidated net profit after tax and minority interest of Rs 30.08 billion for the year ended March 31, 2013 as compared to Rs 26.57 billion for the year ended March 31, 2012. Its board of directors have recommended issue of bonus shares to existing shareholders in the ratio of 1:1 subject to receipt of approval of the equity shareholders. The bonus issue is proposed on completion of 30 years and crossing the $2 billion revenue milestone. GAIL India's net profit during the year 2012-2013 increased by 10% to Rs 4,022 crore from Rs 3,654 crore in the previous year. Tata Power, as a part of its sustainability initiative, is committed to generating 20 to 25% of its total generation capacity from clean energy sources. Trends in the FII flows. The FIIs were net buyers of Rs 7.11 billion in the cash segment on Tuesday, while the domestic institutional investors were net sellers of Rs 5.07 billion as per the provisional figures released by the NSE. The foreign funds were net sellers of Rs 2.04 billion in the cash segment on Monday, according to the SEBI figures. Our recommendations, the technical calls for the day. We recommend selling Hexaware June futures below Rs 84 for the target price of Rs 80 with stop loss placed at Rs 86. Derivative strategy for the day. Short PFC June future above Rs 197 for the target price of 190 with the stop loss placed at Rs 200. Thank you. Wish you have a good day ahead.